Got it here, Type 2 design flashlights. These things are very unique and one of a kind. So you have right here a clip and certificate of authenticity. It's titanium. This one is a little bit more simple. This one is black. Let's see what else they got right here. Ooh, I quite enjoy these kinds. This one kind of like a dark, I don't know, copperish look to it, and it's engraved. So if you're looking for some flashlights a little bit step above, there you go. This is the brand you want to get, or you can get it at Arizona Custom Knives. Let's see if you can find something even better. There you go. This is what I was looking for. This one is definitely next level flashlight. Yeah, boom. Definitely not an everyday carry pocket flashlight, but I think this one may be a weekend carrier. This is Damascus, I'm sorry. So this is two different metals mixed together and then heat treated, and that's the colors you get. Very hard to get this kind of materials. So there's a 2019. That's definitely one of a kind flashlight. Wow, this one is all, I don't know, kind of like a bronze look to it, but also seems to be Damascus. No, materials, I don't even know how to pronounce it, kind of hard to tell. That's a beautiful flashlight right here. Obviously the Damascus one is my favorite, but some people might like this color. This is definitely a next level flashlight. They're not cheap either. Okay, this comes with the batteries. Beautiful. Wow, this one look all vintage, engraved, quite unique. There's a button, very simple, but the materials, the casings are so awesome. Let's see if we're gonna come across something even better. So another one right here. This is brass. So brass obviously would be cheaper, and it's all flowers. I love this, like right here, like a frog design. That's beautiful flashlights right here. So if you're looking for something not like you get on Amazon, $12 flashlight, if you're looking for something more unique, there you go. They got you covered. They have a lot of interesting stuff. Oh, we did that one. And there's one more. This is all gears and stuff engraved. 3 LED lights, and looks like it's magnified glass. Beautiful. Well, let me know which one was your favorite by these Type 2 design flashlights. Honestly, Damascus was obviously my choice.